Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will present you another interesting exercise, and I would like you to observe few things. Alright, so in this exercise I will ask you to create another bar chart by going over here, and this bar chart will be a bar chart having product categories for each of the different sales, right? So for example, you created here product category. This time you need to create by product subcategory. So apologies if I have said product category earlier. So you need to create a chart by product subcategory and sales. And what you need to do is you need to sort it in the ascending order. So by default it will be in the descending order, and you need to change the order and you need to update it on the descending or ascending order. Also, I would like you to do the same thing for this. You need to change the order. Right now it is the order of by default the data load, how it happens. It is kind of doing the auto sorting based on the sorting available here. But after you are done with the product subcategory, I would like you to observe what happens here in this chart and understand how sorting works. If you have questions, write down in the comment, but I would really like you use your observation skills and see what is the difference when you sort the chart on the product subcategory as compared to the product category. Alright, I will meet you now in the next video, the new topic.